Hi guys, today I'm just going to walk you through what it looks like in a mold remediation site. This is a home in West Ryde. So as you can see, I'll turn the camera around if you can see. Here we got the decon area with our first containment. So this decon area, we use the zip wall with the 200 plastic from Allen's, and then in here a few rooms that we split up with zip wall as well. Let's go to the first one here, the master bedroom. So in the master bedroom, what we did in here is we strip out the plaster wall towards the ensuite. There was a bit of water stain on it, and then we strip out the plaster wall in the walk-in. There's a little bit of water stain there. In the previous video I showed you how to clean that. We got HEPA air scrubbers running in any of the area that we did the source removal. So in here there was a bit of water leaked through the roof, so we cut out all the contaminated gyprock. As you can see, we cut out around 600 to 1200 up. It depends on the problem. Each room we got a HEPA air scrubber. Alright, let's go to the next one. The purpose of the zip wall here is to prevent cross contamination post PRV. If one section pass, we can seal it up and the other section. So in here what we got is an old retention wall that has a bit of water leak through. So we take out all the plaster, turn it up. We got a HEPA air scrubber here. In here we put a carbon filter. The purpose of the carbon filter here is to reduce the microbial odour in here. It's been running for 2 days and it smells beautiful in here. So in this area what we did is we cut out the ceiling section that's been water damage from the roof leak. We put plastic around that area just to prevent the cross contamination between the inside of the house and the roof cavity. Alright, let's go to the next area. So when we go in and out from this zip wall, we have to zip it up and close it up. Okay, we're heading into the main living area. So this is the original problem where there was a water leak from the laundry. It's more of a washing machine leak. So this whole area we have cut out. Base plate has been removed. We propped this up as this wall was a structure wall. In here we got air scrubbers as well with the carbon filter. Again, in this area we just need the carbon filter to remove the odour. In this section we cut out 1200 all across. This one we put a plastic on top of this external wall just to prevent any mold from outside to penetrate, and it will make our sample very hard to read. Okay, let's go into this section. So in here what we got is a sunken lounge. Inside this sunken lounge, we've got a bit of water damage from roof cavity going down. It's more from this chimney. We have to remove it, clean it up. Okay, you see up there, there's a bit of staining on that timber. That's the LVL. A sample has been taken and they come back with negative. So at the moment we leave it like that, or we can do a bit more sanding for cosmetic purpose. This external wall, we also remove the plaster. This is more for assessment purpose, just to see if there's any water penetration in this area. Alright, let's go to the kitchen area. In here there wasn't much problem in here. So this zone is more of an exclusion zone. We don't do anything here. We just got a HEPA air scrubber to clean the air in here. Okay, as you can see, in area that do not require mold remediation, we just make sure that all our zip walls are up and sealed. So there's no chance of cross-contamination. Let's go in here. Okay, so we go into the living area of the bedrooms. So in here we got one bedroom on the left and one on the right. Let's go to the left. So in here there was suspicion of water leak from the adjoining bathroom. You can see here there was a bit of staining. However, it was more coming from the that's going after the roof rather than from the bathroom. So what we did here in timber area is we sand it back, treat it with hydrogen peroxide, HEPA vac sandwich, and we dry it back. And again, every room we have a HEPA air scrubber. Alright, let's go to the next bedroom. This is bedroom number 4. So in here, on this side, it's more of a urban